Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. We are now proceeding to Terminal 3 for proper disembarkation. On behalf of your flight deck crew, headed by Captain Winston Takaan and First Officer Wilson Ingilio, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly into more fun in the future. We ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, kindly clear seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exits. Muli po paalala, iwasan po natin ang pag-iwan ng mga pinagkainan sa seat pocket. Nangyari po lamang madali ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. For guests with